Are you trying to find a drug class that treat hypertension by acting on heart? Then let me tell you a trick to remember that drug class. They say node of the heart contains beta-1 receptors. When epinephrine binds with beta-1 receptors, it causes an increase in heart rate, increase in cardiac output, and increase in blood pressure. So what if this beta-1 receptor is blocked by beta-1 blocker, then epinephrine would not be able to bind with beta-1 receptors and it will lead to decrease in heart rate, decrease in cardiac output, and decrease in blood pressure. So let me tell you a trick to remember the selective beta-1 blockers. This drug family is someone that everyone used to laugh on their jokes, and you would also say them LOL. Yes, this is a LOL family, and the members are isbutolol, etinolol, bisoprolol, betazolol, ismolol, metoprolol, and bivolol. Subscribe for more such lectures.